One of my followers on YouTube wanted a pop art zombie tutorial, so what we're going to do is map out our face with a white eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and draw the shape and then I'll be back. So this is the part of the face that's just going to be like a glam pop art look. The rest is going to be zombie. I'm going to go ahead and outline where I want my cutout for my mouth and my bones. And I have marked out the spots of my zombie skin that we're going to have peeking flesh under. We're going to go ahead and paint everything that is outside the white with a base color. I don't know what color I'm going to use yet, but we'll go ahead and do that. So I'm painting myself pink, as you can see. Just keep doing all the outside of the holes. Go ahead and fill in the purple on the inside, leave some spaces white for the bones. And we're going to go over all this with eyeshadow and shade. We used a light purple for the inside, and then we're going to go out with a darker purple and shade just the outer edges. Just going to paint the white bones and my teeth. Now we're going to take a black and outline everything like I've done here, and then right here on the mouth you're going to fill it in. The teeth, this is part 2, but they don't really need to be, so just fill it in with black. Now we're going to shade the bones to make them look more realistic. Gray, we're going to shade in those bones a little. Outline everything, and then we're going to do some more shading. So take some black and add some details, and then take a little shading and go over where you've put the black. We're going to just go ahead and do our base makeup over here. You're going to do it like however you do your regular foundation, but I'm doing a heavy blush. I'll blend it out and be back. Go ahead and do your eyeshadow. I'm matching mine to my pink, and I'm just going to do a blown out look. It's a pop art, like a comic book page vibe. You're going to go ahead and do the white here, and then we're going to do our lines on our face. I don't know how to explain them, so you can just look at them and copy what I've done. Ooh, I forgot to blend. Just add some white liner, and then we're going to do some polka dots and some lashes, and that's finished look. I'm a liar and the lips. Alright, this is the finished look.